Hello guys, welcome to Monday.com inventory management tutorial. So on Monday.com, we're going to create a new board, but we're going to use a template center because they have an inventory management. So we're going to use that as a template. It will be way easier. And for example, we're going to have computers, TVs. For example, here is MacBook Pro. Manufacturer, order, how many items, stock quantity, reorder level, do we have to reorder, and when we have to, unit price, inventory value, and some order status, not ordered, ordered, and the email, and last updated. So that's where you can use your inventory management, and you also can create automations when the order is have been ordered and delivered. So let's see if here it is. Now, as you can see, there is also a chart which shows number of items from each manufacturer and products on order, inventory, and total stock quantity. Now we want to create we can create a calendar, for example, when the orders will be delivered. But we also want to create an automation tool. So for example, when stock check date. So for example, we can automate it by clicking here, and when the date arrives, I believe, or due dates. So when, for example, there are delivery dates, I'm just going to click on dates. So when to notify, move this item. So let's change the status of the order to on order and create an automation like so. So for example, when it arrives, the order status will change and you will not need to reorder anything. So that's that. There's a lot of things you can do here. You have to just explore, and it really depends on what you need. If you have some comments and or questions, leave a comment down below. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.